What is up guys, Jack back with another video. Today we are doing, I'm going to turn this light off for you. We are cooking eggs. We're cooking eggs, right, and we're putting them on a piece because we've not got a roll, so I'm having eggs on a piece, right. I've had a really busy day today. Not been on PS4 much at all. I've had such a busy day and such with family and all that, but yeah, this is basically my tea. So here we go. We're having, I think it might be 2-3 eggs or so, but yeah, let's get into this video. But guys, make sure to please subscribe to CKGC Vlogs, CKGC Streams, Crazy Cart with 234, twitch.tv/crazycart, and do follow us on crazycarts_GC. That's on Instagram. Now let's get into the cooking. Right, so we need to start off. Here it is, this frying pan. Frying pan, right. Back of it's quite, it's quite dirty actually, but yeah, we're cooking this bit, right. And yeah, got oil. Right, this is sunflower oil. Right, I'm gonna shut the door. This is sunflower oil, right. It's got 92G fat. Grams, wow. 14G fat, wow, that's bad. Yeah, so basically put some on the actual pan bit. Right. There we go, that's enough. And we get the eggs. Right. And the oils just fell. Oh god. Guys, the oils just fell. Oh no. Oh no. Right, so for God's sake. Why's the oil got to fall? That's slippy as. Oh god. Whoa. That's so slippy. Guys, the oils just fell. Now guys, that's what you call a fail. Don't do that in future. Whoa, oh my god, I can't just slide. I can't just slide. I need to wipe it with water. I'm trying to dry it. Right. A wee thing. Right. So, there's the first fail. So let's get this cooking. Turn that on. Right, gotta press the button. Right, show you what I'm doing here. Press the button for that, right? Press that one, go up. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Right. Now, let's get these eggs on. Right. We need, here it is. Whisper bit, it's purple. Flicking it and all that. Do you need that? So let's get that in. And 2 eggs. Oh, for God's sake. Right. There's 1 egg in. Right. 1 egg in, we've got a wee bit of shell. I could pick that out after. Right. Oh, that's a good egg. Oh no, the yolk's broke. The yolk has broke. I knocked up a bit of the egg with it as well. Oh my god, the egg bits fell. Oh god. Oh, that's disgusting. Why is so much fails going on today? Right, that, guys, whatever you think, this is the worst start to a camp ever. Right. Right. So, eggs looking like this so far. Right, eggs looking like that so far. I'm going to have to split them because I kind of see how to put together. You split them. The yolk has broke. Not went to plan. The yolk has broke. Yeah. Try just to move the egg over. There's like one small egg and one big egg. Right. Could this like get cooking? Honestly, get cooking, man. Come on. Get your. Come on, get cooking. Come on. I'm gonna put another egg on. Yeah. Oh, there it is. It's cooking now. I'm putting another egg on. So mucked up. Yeah. Right. Get this plate out. Right. Get this plate. Right. Right. Eggs are cooking now. Better. Right. More buttons. There we are. I've got my pieces out. Right. I'm putting another egg on, guys, because I've mucked up. Right. I'm just waiting for this kind to be a little bit light. Right. Yeah, see, this is why I'm putting another egg on, guys, right? Because one of them is massive, the other one's small. So yeah. That's why I'm doing that. And we've got our bread, as you can see right here, I've got the bread. Come on, get it cooking. One of the eggs actually turned white, which we need it to do. Can't do. Right. That's actually looking alright. That egg to the side. Let it kind of sit there and chill. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Right, there we go. Right, that is now ready. This is the big one. This is the one I'm worried about. Right. Yeah, I didn't mean that to be like that. Right, get that there, we'll get tomato sauce and that. But I'm going to put one more egg on. Because that egg is just absolute bad. Right, come on. There we go, that's a better egg. Alright, hello. Oh, the thing's already cooking. Right, my own actually, I'm sorry. Right. Now this egg is looking a lot better than the previous ones. Yeah. And the yolk broke. Guys, I never do this. It's the first time I've really done it on camera. I honestly never do this. I just never do this. Come on. Need to wait for the yolk bit to turn actually kind of, like kind of whitish. Then we else works. There we go, it's working now. Come on. Yes guys, sorry, the egg's cooking now. There we go. Now that actually is ready, I'm pretty sure. We've got like 10 more seconds, actually looks ready. That's ready. It's covered in white, it's looking right, it's ready. Let it drip there for a second. Okay. Yeah, see that looks a lot better. That looks a lot better. Right. Get this one. Right. The other bread. Right. Okay. Ah! Should have did that. God. Right. Pick this up. Need to turn this bit off. Oh God, yeah. Right. Pick it up slowly. Right. Take it over. Pour it in.
Right.
Right.
What turns out and put it away.
Yeah.
You pour water and once you put the liquid. Pour water into the liquid jar.
Aye.
But you need to keep it running. It's burning.
Right guys, get the salt on, get the sauce.
Right, and put it away, put salt in it.
Yeah. Sure. Right guys, now we get the salt on, right? Get the salt on. There's a wee bit of salt on there, right? Wee bit, don't do much salt because salt's bad for you. Wee bit of salt. Right, maybe that's a wee bit too much. Right. Now tomato sauce, obviously you know I'm a big tomato sauce lover. I do like my tomato sauce. Right. Here we go, tomato sauce on one. Right, there it is, number two. Right, punch it in a wee bit, make sure you get it spreaded. Right, put it all back in. Right, oh my god. Right, tell you now, see if I was to be a chef, I'd be a shite chef, honestly. I'd be a bad chef. Right, we'll give that 5 minutes to cool down, and we'll clean that. Right, get a knife, right, just an ordinary butter knife guys, right, and cut it, right, right, then, after we do that, that's what we do, see, look at that, cut it, bang, boom, and that is what I call egg on a sandwich. Right, guys, that's what I call egg on a sandwich. As you see here, that is what we've got. Yeah, we better leave it too hard on the sauce, but that's what you've got, guys. Right. If you want to just hide it yourself, just obviously oil and eggs, boom, get it like that. It's basically within a roll. It's just in a sandwich. So yeah, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed this. Please subscribe to Secret Juicy Vlogs, Secret Juicy Streams, Crazy Kurt 1234, Twitch.tv/Crazy Kurt, and our subscribers Crazy Kurt _GC. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.